So, what's up, guys? So I've been doing a lot of algorithms and data structure challenges, and these are some of the ones that I've been asked as I've been interviewing lately. And I just wanted to share that, how I understand it, because a lot of times you watch a video or an explanation, and you're confused because they're using all these technical words, and these are developers that have been doing this for 10 years, and they're talking this lingo that us new junior developers just don't fucking understand. It just makes no fucking sense. So I figured, why not? Maybe if I could help, it's gonna happen. So here we have a Palindrome challenge. It's an easy one. I suggest CoderBite to anybody if you want to try it out. There's not many videos with solutions on there. You have to do your own research for a lot of them. There are solutions posted if you do purchase them, but I don't recommend just going through a solution just because you won't understand how to get to the problem when you see a bunch of code written and you get the answer, but it's not going to happen. Also, when you do challenges for employers on CoderBite, just know that they have their own system that checks plagiarization. So if you copy and paste code into your code as you're posting everything, they'll see it and they'll get a status on how you did, and it'll show how much you plagiarized. It also shows them what you Google search, how many times you leave the tab, and everything like that. So just be aware and don't cheat. Most of software development is researching and finding other code, making it easier, more efficient. But for this, it's only going to help you to understand some of this. So let's get into this. So we have a palindrome. The result is have the function palindrome. It's a parameter string. Take the string parameter being passed and return the string true if the parameter is a palindrome. The string is the same forward as it is backwards. Otherwise return the string false. For example, race car is also race car backwards. Punctuation numbers will not be part of the string. So let's start with creating a variable first. So we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it first. I'm going to take that variable and we're going to take the string and we're going to split it. There's all the documentations on split and online. You could find it. I've used it a lot as I've been doing practice codes and stuff like that, so I'm kind of familiar with it. You're basically taking a string and splitting it into, if it's one word, you're splitting it into each letter, and then putting it together. Just to keep it simple, split. You're splitting things up. Then we do join, which just puts them back together. So we just split it and we just put it back together. So then what we're going to do is we're going to return reverse dot split again. Then we're going to use the reverse method, which is cool method. So you're reversing everything. So you're returning the same thing you just did, but you're reversing it this time. And then you're going to join it again. And then you're going to check that it's the same as reverse. No, we don't need that. Or that. All right, let's see. Run test codes. Oh, what happened? Split. Test codes. There we go. So yes, make sure that there's a space when you split the first original one. All right, and let's submit the code. Submit. Then it evaluates. It gives you a bunch of test things. You can't see what it is. Well, you can, I guess. But it runs 10 different test cases, and it gives you the results. So there we go. Total points 10, everything, and then that's it. Thanks, guys.